this video, I'll show you how to find new SEO Memecoins on Dexscreener. Share, subscribe, and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, once I will log into your Dex, what you're gonna do now, for you to be able to find new SEO Memecoins, you're gonna click on this new page, right? Once I've clicked on this new page, wait for it to load up. Once it has loaded up, you can be able to see the Memecoins that has been launched so far in the past 24 hours, or 7 days, or 3 days. So you can see right here, there's nothing that was really launched right here, right? Okay, I think in the last 3 days, just two, this one with $63 million market cap, this one with $61 million market cap. So the last 7 days, you can also see as well, there are some couple of launches right here, just 3 launches, right? So this is basically how you can find new CMM coins on Dexscreener. If you find this video helpful, please share it with the in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.